Okay, let's now fix the issue. In a previous video, we have seen we have faced the issue that we are not pulling our jQuery. So when we are giving a choose on change, so it will show the message. So it show the image. Okay, let's inspect what is happening. If I let's refresh the page and go to console. Okay, when I go to console and choose the country, so see uncount reference error get zone is not defined. So when we call this function get zone, so it is saying it is not defined. And how we can fix it? Okay, let's close it and control U to see the source our file. So this one is not source, which is mm, not displaying the HTML and body and meta tag at the top of the page. And let's first fix that issue why it is. So we are creating a extensible layout auth app and section auth content. Okay, and we are not ending that section. Let's first end that section, save it, and now start a new section and end that section. We have two sections. Okay, go to your page, close it, refresh, control U. So now HTML at top. Okay, this has fixed, and when we call it the auth get zones function, so it goes to our section get zones. And again, let's see this script in a browser. So control U to see this script is displaying or not. So we have a jQuery and bootstrap file, but the script is there is no script. So let's see, it is getting what's wrong. So this is our bootstrap and this is our jQuery. So it is pulling both the file but not the script. Let's check. If I go to a main, so we have a yield main. So main, and here we are getting layouts auth app. So in our auth app, so we have yield of content, auth content. Okay, we have to yield script. So yield script, save it, and let's go to refresh, and let's refresh again. So it is yield script. Yield script, refresh. So now we have our script that is displaying in under script tag. So that's great. Okay, let's close this, and now comment all this function, and let's check alert message. Document dot ready. When the document is ready, all the HTML is ready, and we have a function. So this function will give the alert. So in this way we can check our jQuery is running success, and close this statement. Okay, refresh page. So one more time, refresh. 1 minute. Document dot ready, and it's a query function, and we are alerting. So see, boom, we have successfully pulled our jQuery. Okay, okay, let's remove this and pull our function into document. When document is ready, all the HTML is ready, then call this function. So uncomment it and remove some spaces. Let's indent, control, close angle, close curly bracket to indent. Okay, so let's alert. Success. And comment this. Okay, when we call our function, it will give our success message. Refresh. Okay, choose a country. Not. Mm, so see, so under document is ready is not working, and outside that this function will be work. Okay, so let's remove it, and we have successfully call our function and remove it. Okay, uncomment, and one more time comment this and just load our image to see image is loading or not on change. So see, it's loading. Now the image is loading. Okay, inspect the element console. So when we change our function, so there is no error. Okay, now let's pull see. Now we are submitting to the URI auth get, which is not available yet, and it will submit some data ID and token, and when it has a response 200 or success response, so we will add HTML to our state ID and loader will be hide. Let me show you when we call this. Uncode reference error get zone is not defined on change. Loader.show post. So this method is not here. Uh, refresh. So it's working. So these URI not exist yet. Now we need to create this URI auth get zone, and it will send the request to our register controller, and we will create a method there get zone, and we'll fetch the data from database. So all the state related states that is related to that ID, which is a country ID. Stay tuned.